Assalamualaikum, selamat pagi. Hari ini 7 Mei. Pagi ni kita masih berada di Lijiang, hotel di Lijiang. So pagi ni kita check out daripada sini dan kita bergerak ke Dali. So pagi ni ramalan cuaca antara 12 ke 21 darjah Celsius. So taklah terlalu sejuk. Just nice untuk kita. So boleh standby baju sejuk je untuk hari ni. Dan pagi ni kita akan balik ke Dali dan akan bermalam di Dali. So program hari ni kita akan pergi ke Lanjiao Hai. Kemudian kita akan pergi ke Zihao Ancient Town. Kemudian kita lunch dekat salah satu restoran halal di Dali. Kemudian kita akan pergi ke Dali Ancient Town, and then kita dinner, dan lepas dinner kita check in hotel untuk malam ni. So semua peserta kita untuk trip Yunnan ni semua alhamdulillah semua happy setakat ni dan semua masih ceria, masih sihat alhamdulillah. So jom kita pergi sarapan dulu. Kita tengok apa sarapan kita pagi ni. Let's go. Okay, sebelum kita check out, kita check dulu barang-barang cukup tak cukup sebelum kita meninggalkan hotel ni, sebab nanti kan baru perasan barang tertinggal susah. So kita check dulu baik. Tengok apa yang boleh makan, apa yang tak boleh makan untuk sarapan. Sebab di hotel ni dia tak menghidangkan hotel di sini, restorannya restoran yang bukan halalnya restoran. So ada makanan yang kita tak boleh nak makan. Okey, ada contoh dekat sini ada menyediakan sayur-sayuran. So ini semua boleh makan. Roti kita boleh makan, buah-buah boleh makan, macam ni peach boleh makan, tomato, tembikar, tak masalah. Roti boleh makan, dia bakar dulu dan letak jam. So ni pickles yang ni boleh makan, tak ada masalah. Ni pickles juga. Ini ada bubur, ini ada bubur juga. Ada sup. So ni ada lauk, tomato, telur, sayur-sayuran. Ni sayur juga. Ini tak boleh makan. So bahagian ni tak boleh makan. So, telur rebus boleh makan. Telur goreng kalau tak yakin jangan makan. Labu kita boleh makan sebab ni rebus. Ni goreng-gorengan tak boleh makan. Nasi goreng tak boleh makan. Kosong. Campur yang digoreng pun tak boleh makan. So ni dia punya tambahan untuk nak makan bubur tu tadi. Dan ada mie, ada garam, ada gula, ada apa tu, ni kecap, ada sesame oil untuk tambahan penambah rasa. So yang memang yakin boleh makan, macam ni pau boleh makan, jagung boleh makan, ubi kelidik yang kentang boleh makan. So ini cereal boleh makan. Dekat sini ada air boleh minum, free flow, ada kopi, ada soya bean, susu dan lain-lain. So macam itulah bila kita travel, ada benda yang kita boleh makan untuk pagi, ada benda yang tak boleh makan. Jadi pilihan di tangan anda, ambil yang anda yakin untuk makan. Okay, so ini kita punya breakfast pagi ni. Kita ambil telur, keledek, timun dan roti. So pilihan di tangan anda, makan apa yang halal je.
And remember, yesterday I told you I want to take a video for all of us. Yeah, dancing together near the Erhai Lake, and of course, at that area, photographer will help us take photos. No need pay extra money, and we will also take the music car. Yeah, singing a song. Yeah, hang out the Erhai Lake, dancing and singing. I think it's very interesting. And after that, I think if already 12 o'clock, we will go to restaurant for lunch first. After lunch, you can go to masjid, pray in the masjid. Then to Xizhou Ancient City. Xizhou Ancient City. Compared with another city, Xizhou Ancient City, you can see a lot old architecture by people style. By people style. And remember, I told you why the local have this name, because they love the color, the white color. Yeah, the white color. And the Bai people who living in Dali spend a lot of time, spend a lot of money, build their house. The richest place actually Xizhou Ancient City, because 100 years ago they have a lot of businessmen. They go outside sell the local products. Yeah, so they are very rich. They are very rich, and we will watch the performance, dancing and singing. The three course tea. Yeah, and you can visit the local people's house. And another good news for us, if you are still available, not married, today when we arrive Xizhou Ancient City, okay, congratulations. Yeah, please find a very big house and knock the door and ask the owner, is there any girl or boy in your family still available? I want to stay here with your kids. Yeah, get married. If you find a local girl or boy, get married with them. Okay. Remember, next time if you visit Yunnan again, no need stay in hotel. So if you fall in love with locals, please tell me. Okay, I will immediately tell the owner. Yeah, the boy is so handsome, the girl so nice, please. And after that, we will visit Dali Ancient City. In Dali Ancient City, more than 600 years. And there are in Dali Ancient City, they have a lot shop. Yeah, also you can shopping. And also there is a very famous street we call Foreigner Street. Why have this name? Before we arrive there, I will tell you the story. Because the movie, the five golden flower. And when we visit the stone forest the first day, remember I told you, they have two movies made Dali so popular. The first one is Stone Forest, was shot in 1950s. Another one, Five Golden Flower, was shot in Dali in 1960s. These two movies made Dali and Yunnan so popular. So a lot visitor at that time visit Dali. And also have a lot Chinese drama and Chinese TV drama shoot in Yunnan province. The first one is the Journey to the West. The Journey to the West was shot in 1986 in Stone Forest. And recently here, I don't know. Have you ever heard this name? Meet yourself to Windy Place. The girl's name, Liu Yifei, you know. Across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you wherever you are, I believe go on. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Love can touch us one time and last for a lifetime, and never let go till we're gone. Love was when I loved you one true times. I hold you. In my life will always go on. Persona menawan rindu, seakan dunia menyebut namamu syahdu. Dua menjadi satu. Kusangka sinar menjelma, rupanya hijab mula terbuka. Pandangan bertukar warna, membuatku gelap gelita. Nada suara berdendang, memadam cahaya tenang. Kau menjejaki kemana saja tanpa kundang. Bisikanmu menghalang, terpaanmu menggoncang, menghantuiku, mengalihkan arahku pulang. Gerakkan keretaku. Betul ke ni? Saya tak pernah nyanyi lagu ni. Okey, akak mesti pandai. Ada bunyi. Oh! Okey. Yang tu panjang. Dia betul. Kudaku lari, kudaku lari gagah berani. Ayo lari, hai kudaku lari. Kudaku lari kencang, kawan-kawanku riang. Kawan-kawanku riang. Agak. Terima kasih. Pet.
There's nothing else to compare. The side of you leave me weak. There's no word left to speak. I can feel like I feel. Please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Mesti dekat orang tu, mesti dia tahu.
Oh baby, baby, don't bring me down, I pray. Oh pretty baby, that I told you stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes over you. You've been
Your
like
hand.
heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes over you.
Alhamdulillah.
I love you, baby. You are my lonely night. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby. And if it's quite alright, I'll let you, baby. You are my lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't bring me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, don't bring me down, I stay. And let me love you, baby. Let me love you.
Tak habis lagi, banyak lagi.
Tak ada.
وتقضى به الحوائج وتنال به الرغائب وحسن الخواتيم ويستسقى الغمام بوجهه الكريم وعلى وصبه في كل لمحة ونفس ونفس بعدد
Alhamdulillah kita dah selamat sampai di Dali. Sekarang kita berada di Erhai Lake. Kalau kita tengok belakang sana tu, itu Erhai Lake. So bus parking kat sini. Now kita akan cari toilet dulu. Sebab tadi kita dalam perjalanan tadi lebih kurang 1.5 jam. Nak menuju ke toilet, dan dekat sini kita boleh tengok architecture daripada orang-orang by people, dipanggil by people. Sebenarnya yang ada dekat sini architecture dia orang macam ni lah. So kebanyakan rumah-rumah atau bangunan-bangunan kat sini warna putih dan kelabu, dan dia punya dia ada macam pintu gerbang macam ni warna kelabu. So dekat Dali ni antara bandar yang mempunyai penduduk Islam yang ramai, dan kita akan nanti hari ni kita akan sembahyang Zuhur di salah sebuah masjid yang ada di sini. Sebab dekat sini dulu waktu penjajahan dia orang pernah ditakluk oleh orang-orang Mongolia, yang mana masa zaman tu kebanyakan orang Mongolia yang masuk ke sini adalah orang Islam. So sebab itulah dekat sini mempunyai penduduk Islam yang ramai. So, dekat sini memang tempat pelancongan. So ada banyak bagi yang bawa pelancong-pelancong. So macam tu. Dan banyak lagi aktiviti lain yang boleh berbasikal, boleh berjalan kaki sekeliling tasik. Dan cuaca hari ni memang cantik, cerah. Walaupun matahari cerah, tapi angin tak sejuk. So now kita nak mencari toilet dulu.
You need pay extra 20 yuan one person, one bicycle. No, not 1 hour. It's no limit. Yeah, no limit. Yeah. Okay, no. But we cannot stay here 1 hour. Yeah. Later I will tell you. Yeah, just.
Okay, now kita mulakan aktiviti kat sini dengan naik dia punya cart.
来，我们坐稳了，我们要走了哦。不是视频龙木说啊。
Okay, let's go.
Bluetooth mode
来，我们
connected.
龙猫。来，我们做扶好，我们要出发喽。欢迎所有贵宾乘坐我们的一元车，在车辆行驶过程中，手头不要收车外。好像花开在春风里，开在春风里，在哪里，在哪里见过你？你的笑容这样熟悉，我一时想不起。 在梦里，
Sekarang lagi trending, goyangnya lagi booming di kalangan anak muda maupun orang tua. Goyang gaya ubur-ubur bikin semua terhibur. Walau hati hancur lagu tetap goyang, jangan sampai goyang ubur-ubur mereka mundur.
好的，来，站起来，跟我一起来，站起，站起来，来，双手合十。
Okay, kita dah selesai naik dia punya bagika dia. Dia dah puas berjoget, dah bersenam, elok lah tu. Okay, lepas ni kita pergi satu lagi tempat, joget lah kat situ. Kita tengok apa nak jadi. Tapi so far dia orang sporting,
You
the
can
best.
put your back here
Let's go.
and follow the boy.
Semua dapat golden necklace. Kau emas.
Sofinya kaya. Aku kaya. Kami dapat emas di sini.
Suka.
Ayo dah.
Kau macam dapat emas. Ni.
Lagu menu ibu punya.
Kanan. Kiri.
右边3步踢左脚 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4This one. Hello. two, three, go, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! 哎，蹦一个！有没有尖叫声？声音不够大，再来一次。好 ，OK。
Dah lepas menari, dia bergambar. Kemudian fotografer ni dia offer untuk ambil gambar seorang-seorang. Sebab benda ni semua dah termasuk dalam package kita. Dengan naik bagi car tadi, dengan package menari, dengan package ambil gambar ni. So semua dah termasuk. Cuma yang tak termasuk jual bunga ni lah. Nenek jual bunga ni. Satu bunga tu 5 yuan. Satu bunga tu 5 yuan. Ini bergambar dekat tepi Erhai Lake. Ini Erhai Lake. Masih bergambar dengan Erhai Lake. Nenek jual bunga. Ini dah gadis bunga.
Any decoration, very cheap. Don't buy that. Fake one. Fake. It's fake. Okay, it's fake. Okay, 12:10. Please back to our parking lot. Remember? Okay. Just to go straight. Now, if you want to ride the bicycle, follow me.
Siapa nak naik basikal?
Oh, tak ada basikal lah.
Jasmine,
Kayu lah, kayu.
Senang tak daripada kedudukan dia, kena tak kedudukan dia? Okey. Dia rendah.
Kayu, jalan.
Sekejap. Lama tak ada basikal. Nak apa? Nak balik keluar ke? Balik keluar. Bye. Bye.
Tongkat ni.
20 yuan.
Oh.
Oi, lajunya bang.
Lori, tepi lori.
Sebikal.
Bye. Cuba.
Gambar tolong.
How much? 20?
20.
20 tu. Kita nak gerak pergi bas sekejap gini. Tengah nak menunggu, masih ada yang naik basikal dan ada yang bergambar. So dekat sini memang banyak dia orang buat servis ambil gambar. Apa nama? Satu keping gambar dia akan jual 10 yuan. So kalau nak beli, belilah. Kalau tak nak beli, tak apa. Kadang-kadang dia orang ni ambil gambar curi. Kadang-kadang bila kita ready memang dia ambil posing dengan basikal dia, dengan bunga-bunga dia. Bunga-bunga yang ada kat kepala tu adalah bunga-bunga hidup. Yang mana dia letak basikal tu bunga mati lah. Yang dia jual kat kepala tu 5 yuan, tu semua bunga hidup. Siapa yang nak beli, so at least itu yang biasanya jual bunga-bunga hidup tu orang-orang tua kat sini. Jadi siapa yang nak beli, rasa-rasa kesian ke nak beli, boleh beli. Kadang-kadang dia jual murah. Kadang-kadang dia paksa-paksa sampai 3 yuan pun ada. Okey, kemudian apa nama, basikal boleh sewa dengan bayaran 20 yuan. Dia tak kira berapa orang nak naik basikal tu pun, tapi dia kira satu basikal. Satu basikal kita ambil 20 yuan. Dan boleh lah sampai mana yang terlarat. Tapi yang kawasan yang ramai kat sekitar sini je, lebih kurang dalam 3 ke 400 meter sini je, area sini. Bolehlah berbasikal sambil nak bergambar-gambar dengan bunga-bunga kan. So dekat sini apa yang kita nampak, memang dekat China ni dia orang sangat ready dengan sektor pelancongan dia. So kalau contoh tempat ni saja, kita boleh tengok macam-macam aktiviti ada kat sini. Yang bawa bagi, yang buat sewa basikal, yang ambil gambar, yang jual bunga, yang apa nama, dalam bagi tadi yang kita naik tadi, yang tukang menyanyi, driver.
Buka toilet.
So ada banyak aktiviti. So dia orang sangat ready untuk kunjungan. So memang best. Seronok kalau gini. Kat sini yang diberitahu oleh guide, memang aktiviti kat sini sepanjang tahun. And then setiap hari daripada pagi sampai petang. So kita boleh tengok dan boleh agak berapa income yang diorang boleh dapat daripada pelancong-pelancong yang datang kat sini. Okay, jom kita pula pergi ke bas pula. Let's go.
Then we will arrive. And after lunch, we also need to use this bus to the masjid. But from the restaurant to the masjid, just 2 minutes, then we will arrive. It's very near. So you don't need, after we arrive at the restaurant, you just put your bag in our bus. Okay. And after the lunch, we will go to masjid, pray first. After pray, we will go to Xizhou to watch the performance and the traditional Bai people's house.
Okay, nah kita dah sampai dekat restoran untuk kita makan tengah hari. So ni restoran kita, Muslim restaurant. Of course kita menyediakan makanan halal untuk semua trip kita. So tempat ni dalam 10 minit daripada tempat kita berhenti main basikal tadi. Sebelah ni pun Muslim juga. Kita makan kat sini. Jom kita tengok apa menu kita hari ni. Lauk kita tengah hari ni dan komplit kuah, ayam, ikan pedas,
Timur Cina,
veggie.
ayam
Ni apa
ni
kan?
kat bawah.
Ni apa tu?
Laksa. Ini macam rojak lah.
Macam
Kerabu.
Daging, sayur air, daging. Kau apa tu? Serunding. Sama gini. Panas ke sejuk?
Panas. Kita nak serve pun. Macam mana sejuk lagi? Air.
Okey, menu sangat menyelerakan. Jadi kita basuh tangan dulu. Okey, kalau tadi ruang makan dia, ini tempat ataupun tempat masak dia, ruang dapur dia kat sini. So ini tempat masak dan tu tempat makan ramai-ramai. Biasanya kalau makan sikit-sikit dia dekat sini lah. So macam biasa kedai kat sini dia ada menu bergambar macam ni. So dia punya fridge, dia punya dapur. Okay, ada lagi satu tadi lauk nampak lambat sikit masuk, sayur apa entah warna hijau. Kita tengok sayur apa. Satu lagi sayur. Sayur apa tu? Kangkong.
Very bad guy in China's history. He want to become emperor again. At that time, Chinese against the men. And you know here, Xizhou ancient town have a lot of rich men, right? Much merchants and businessmen. So one businessman, his name Yan. Remember, I told you just now. Later we will visit Yan family's house. And at that time, the Yan, the owner of the Yan families, donated a lot of money to build this gate. Yeah, to against the men who wanted to become emperor again. This is represent justice. Another meaning in Mandarin, justice represent all the goods, all the products, good quality, no fake. Because you know here is the local. 100 years ago they did business. They are businessmen.
Okay, now kita ada dekat salah satu ancient city dekat Dali. So ini dia punya main entrance dia. Okay, dan kita akan berjalan dekat sini. Dekat sini ada jual banyak barang-barang silver. Ni kita pegang balik. So ni pandangan belakang gate dia daripada dalam. Dekat sini memang nampak sebuah kota lama, Ancient City. Masih terpelihara, macam gate tu masih nampak purba dan antik. Kat sini memang banyak barang-barang yang daripada silver. So contoh macam tu, gelang-gelang silver, gelang, anting-anting, barang kemas dari silver. Sebab Dali ni memang terkenal dengan mineral silver. Decoration bumbung dia, ada naga, ada burung. Dan kita masuk ke dalam salah satu rumah pembesar waktu dulu. So kat sini dia nak tunjukkan rumah dia yang penuh dengan culture, arts.
称阿婆，法语是就称为金花，所以呢，在这边呢，大家可以金花阿婆这样来相称。那咱们去来参观这里呢，它是喜洲古镇上最大的一户大户人家。这户人家他是我们喜洲这里的首富，他们家姓严，严格严肃的严。Okay, here this house belong very rich man, the richest man in Xizhou, 100 years ago. The family's name Yan family, merchants. And this you can have a look. This is the traditional Bai people's house. Remember, I told you the local will spend a lot of time and spend a lot of money to build their house. You can see all the painting, all the carving, wood carving and painting made by hand. So yeah, normally this small gate spends millions yuan. 接着吧。那咱们看一下，我们眼前这栋房子呢，它是修建于民国时期，1935年的时候修建的，到现在呢已经有91年了。这里呢，它总的占地面积是7000多平米，也就是12亩左右。Okay, this house was built in 1913. More than almost 100 years. Almost 100 years. And it covers the area about 7,000 square meters. And 你刚才讲什么？我忘记掉了。这里总的占地面积讲了。爷家的后代现在呢还住在里面的啊。Now the young generation for this family, Yan family, they still living here. Yeah. 那咱们看一下我们眼前这道大门呢，它叫做沙滴水大门，就是一滴雨水分3次滴落。在下大雨的时候，我们就会看到雨水首先呢，它会落到最高这层横檐，第二滴呢就经落到两边的腰檐，最后落到地面上。所以呢就叫沙滴水大门。You can see this gate is the traditional Bai people style. We call it 三滴水. What it means, 三滴水? Because you know, according to traditional Chinese culture, water represents money, right? And when sealing reason, when the water, the rain drops from the top to the ground, many times, it represents, okay, this family very rich. And you can see also they have some decoration. Different animals represent different meanings. 我直接跟他们说吧。好的。Can you see they have a lot different animals? Okay, the first one I will tell you. Okay, you can have a look first. Okay, rabbit. Okay, rabbit. Why here have the rabbit? Because rabbits represent you will have a lot of family members. Because rabbit have a lot of babies. It's very easy to deliver babies, right? Especially for the young couples. When you get married with each other, yeah, for Chinese. Oh, you must have children, right? Have a lot of family members. The second, near the rabbit. Okay.
Dragon.
Okay, dragon. And below there another phoenix. Can you see the phoenix here? Phoenix here. And below the phoenix also have dragon, right? Also have the dragon. And if you visit Bai people's house, how can you recognize this family who is the boss? Because I told you here in Lijiang, women's social status higher than men, right? Okay, you can see now the blue dragon, the hat, actually below the phoenix, right? And phoenix above. So it means this family, who is the boss?
Lady.
Yeah, ladies is the boss. But some area, some house in Bai people's house, you also can see dragon, the head of dragon above the phoenix. It means this family, The man is a big boss. Yeah, makes the decision by the man. So this is a different. You can know who is the boss in these families. And also you can see this one. Do you know this one? Not lion. Not lion. Pichu represent a lot of money. Yeah.
Oh, a lot of money.
So when you go inside, you can touch like this. From the head to the tail. It means you will have a lot of money because this family 100 years ago they were merchants. They do a lot of business, right? So it means they have a lot of money. They want to have a lot of money. So when we go inside, before we go inside, you can touch from here, from the head to the tail. But don't touch the mouse. Why? Because this animal, the money is the food for this animal. If you touch the mouse, okay, your pocket, the money in your pocket will be okay, one by one, if you want.
This also? Kita suruh usap-usap dia.
Jaya pula.
Kak Jaya. Dia suruh usap kan, kita tengok usap.
Now we are going inside, and this is the yard for this family. The first yard for this family. And different room have different functions. First one you can have look. This room for new couples. Yeah. And can you see here? They have chopsticks, right? Chopsticks. Why have chopsticks?
Oh, yeah.
Because the chopsticks, the pronunciation, the Mandarin pronunciation is quiet. Chopstick, the pronunciation quiet. In Mandarin, another meaning. It means you will have a lot of baby immediately. Yeah, immediately. Yeah, you will have a lot of children immediately. For the new couples, when they get married with each other, their parents always tell the new couple, okay, you must deliver babies, right? You will have a lot of babies. So, quiet, chopsticks, the pronunciation, quiet, it means deliver a lot of baby immediately. Okay, and this is the living room. Yeah?
Can go inside?
Yeah, can. This is the living room. When the guest visits this house, yeah, the owner will provide the tea for the guest. Okay, another room here. Okay, this room for the parents. Yeah, for the parents. They live here. And you can have a look. There is a white wall, right? There have a white wall. And this white wall we call Sanfang Zhaobi. What it means? This white wall actually can reflect the sunshine to the room, especially in the winter. Because you can see the location, this house, actually a little different. We are facing Erhai Lake in the east. And this side is Tangshan Mountain, is the west. Sometimes, especially in winter, the sunshine cannot directly go into the living room. So the local build this wall to reflect the sunshine into the living room. And you also can see this is a marble produced in Tangshan Mountain. The marble is a gift for the emperor in ancient times. And also pay attention for this decoration. Why? Because the Bai people here, the gentlemen, good at hand carving. Yeah, the first one is wood carving. All this made by hand, not machine. Okay, all this wood carving made by hand. The second one is stone carving. carving, stone carving. The last one is silver carving. All of this made by hand, not machine. And this is the most famous, I think, technique for the local. Okay, let's go. Special window for the ladies living in this yard. This is like flowers. This window is like flowers. Why? Because this yard actually 100 years ago, the ladies, the girl living here. And you know, in China now, for young generation, they don't want to get married, and they also don't want to deliver babies. But you know, Chinese parents always tell me, my parents always tell me, Lin, you need to get married immediately, because after you the age older and older, you need your family members take care of yourself, right? Take care of you. So now, very popular. Have you ever heard this word? Blind date. Yeah, blind date. In ancient times, also have blind date. Yeah, because you know, in ancient times, girls cannot go outside. They just stay in the house. But their parents also wanted to the girl get married. At that time, the parents will introduce handsome boy to their girls, and the girl will stand there, and the gentleman pass. Okay, have a look. Blind date. If the boy very handsome, okay, the girl immediately fall in love. Okay, I agree. Get married with the boy. If the boy is very ugly, okay, the girl, okay, I don't want to get married with him. I just want to stay here. So this is the blind date window. Yeah, they can't. The girls and the boys, they can't have date with each other like today. Go to coffee shop, go to cinema, right? Yeah. So this is the blind date for the girls. Yeah, and. Yeah. In 1980s and in 1990s, before 10 years ago, if the new couple get married, they just have one baby. Only me in my families. My parents only have one. Yeah, just me. But now I get married, but I don't want to have more babies. Although the central government changed the policy, in college, the new couples, you can have a lot of babies. And now the young generation, they don't want to have more babies. Because you know, China have a lot of population. It means you have a lot of kids. You will spend a lot of money for the education, right? And after the kids graduate from the university, if the kids want to find a very good job. In the international, you know, the pure silver, 92.5, it means pure silver. But here, more than 99% more pure. And Chinese, why love this silver? Because Chinese believe it can clean water and keeps our blood vessel clean. Yeah, clean. And when you made up or use lipsticks, you know, sometimes it's very harmful for our body because the chemistry elements, right? Do you bring up lipsticks? Have you ever bring lipsticks? If you have the lipsticks, I will have a test for you.
Dekat sini, sebabkan tempat ni dia ada specialty dia adalah silver. Dekat rumah ni dia ada jual silver yang berkualiti tinggi. Macam tu silver dia, mahal lah silver dia. Dan kat sini diorang cuba tea, pure tea dia. So kita tengok apa yang dia kata pure tea.
Pure maksudnya? P-U-E-R. Pure.
Later, the girl will prepare black tea. Black tea for you.
Black tea.
It's very good for our stomach. Yeah.
Okay, lepas kita dah tengok silver tadi, kemudian kita dah try teh dia dekat dalam bilik tu tadi. Ada macam-macam jenis teh, black tea lah, rose tea lah, yang ada yang dah beli teh tu. So sekarang kita tengok dia punya culture show dia dekat dalam sini. Kita termasuk lepas ni, kita dah tunggu turn masuk ni. Show dia berkenaan dengan 3 course tea, nama dia. Sebab kat sini orang terkenal dengan 3 course tea. Jadi kita tengok apa yang dimaksud dengan 3 course tea. Okey, ni persembahan tengok teh. Buat teh. Habis tu dia bagi teh. Ada teh, satu teh. Teh ni dia yang kacang. Teh ni rasa halia. Ni teh herbal, teh manis. Tadi black tea biasa kita dah habis. Teh tu dia pahit. Jadi manis. Yang ini herbal. Manis. So dia bagi, dia masak teh, dia siapkan teh, dia rancuhan dia sampai kita menonton persembahan tradisional dia.
回上我们的舞台和我们的青花团团起手拉手跳舞了。这是一个互动的节目，希望大家很参与。这个节目呢很简单，只有3个开始，不会唱的没关系啊。我们的青花。
Hijau manggis. Salak mana dia? Berry. Okey. Dari Ancient Town yang tadi, now kita ke Ancient Town satu lagi, Dali Ancient Town. Di tengah bandar Dali ni. So dekat sini kita boleh nampak macam satu taman, macam satu park. so far lah untuk setakat ni. Sini ada seperti sini untuk tu lah air sungai tu ataupun kolam. Terus ada orang yang berjualan sekitar ni. Dan kita akan ada free time kat sini untuk nak shopping lagi, sebab masih ramai lagi yang nak shopping. Duit masih banyak lagi, belum habis lagi duit, so boleh shopping lagi kat sini. Sini banyak, kat sini banyak lah kitchen, bukan kitchen, fridge magnet, silver punya produk, aksesoris macam gelang, anting-anting macam tu. Buah-buah, banyak buah oren. Macam tadi ada durian pun ada. Durian tu tak pasti lah datang dari mana-mana, memang datang dari sini ke ataupun datang daripada Malaysia kan. Dekat Malaysia sibuk kata Musang King nak hantar ke China. So macam lah keadaan dia. Ini ada kedai-kedai yang ada kat sini. Kita tengok. Lambang mata lah, boleh jadi lambang mata lah tengok.
Kompon betul-betul. Nanti bila dia mula diubah.
For 100. So cuaca sekarang baru lepas hujan, angin sejuk, jadi sedap lah nak jalan. Dia angin sejuk, musim bunga kan. Pasal tengah-tengah ni dah nampak meriah, dengan motor, skuter, dengan orang pun dah ramai. Yang bagi kar lagi. Nampak meriah ni. Jom. Side sini nampak lain pula suasana dia. Dengan ada macam sungai bawah ni kat tengah-tengah, yang bangunan yang cantik. Bangunan keliling ni bangunan memang betul bangunan lama. Memang cantik lah suasana kat sini. Sejuk, mata memandang pokok dengan ada sungai kat tengah-tengah. Memang meriah dengan orang. Macam benda jual yang anjing. Okay, ini ada salah satu monumen yang ada dekat Dali Ancient City. Ini ada salah satu monumen yang ada dekat Dali, Dali Ancient City ni. So, kita bukan bagi arahan apa yang kita nak buat.
我告诉大家啊，怎么走？待会儿来这里集合，我带你们怎么去吃饭，好不好？来，咱们奥克的各位朋友来这里啊。600 years, most people, they want to go there, take photos. Of course, if you want, you can go this side. About 10 minutes. If you don't, go street. This is the main street. About 10 or 15 or 20 minutes. It depends because some people want to hang out slowly, and then you will arrive the Foreigner Street. But now they have just a few Foreigner. The specialty, the most famous one, the silver. This is the local shop, local brand. Yeah, you can go inside, have a look. Another, if you want to buy some coffee also very popular in Yunnan province. Yeah, Luckin Coffee nearby and Chagi and the coffee bean Hogu. This one, Hogu. Okay, Hogu. You can try if you want. And now I want to come.
Okay, kita ada masa 2 jam untuk kita nak explore tempat ni, apa yang ada. So macam sama juga macam yang sebelum-sebelum ni, dia ada tempat shopping lah, kecil-kecil, macam-macam. Antara benda yang rare kat sini, dia jual daging yang dijemur. Tak ada bau pun. Satu lagi yang rare, kedai jual tanduk. Jangan jumpa kedai jual tanduk ni. Nampak? Macam-macam jenis produk tanduk. Macam. Malam, lampu cahaya daripada signboard dalam kedai jadi nampak lagi cantik. Bunga-bunga. Uyah sembuh, jom kat sini jual. So yang jual baju lah, kat sini baju, jual mata, buah-buah. Tapi seronok lah, cantik, pemandangan cantik, seronok kita tengok. Dan jauh pergi ke depan sana.
潜水，原来有时候北京低层新品上新期间特价免费降落，水口特价头巾只要4块8，裙子只要12块，快来选，快来
Tapi
看，
tak jumpa lagi strawberry gula tu.
快来选，快来看，
Cik strawberry gula tak jumpa lagi.
特价了，特价了。
Okay, now kita on the way balik ke bas. Pergi cari, atau kita bukan balik ke bas, untuk kita pergi ke tempat dinner. Tempat dinner lebih kurang dalam 15 minit daripada Dali Ancient City ni. Dan kita akan check in hotel di Dali. Besok kita akan bergerak ke Kunming pula, naiki speed train dia. So now kita tengok pemandangan akhir dekat sini waktu malam. Okay, selamat sudah sesi shopping dekat Ancient City Dali. Besok kita ada satu lagi hari di Kunming pula. Besok kita akan pula ke Kunming. Hutan penat. Ya. Sini pun ada jual durian tau. Dan nama dia pun still durian. Durian. Okey, now kita nak pergi makan malam. Kita nak menikmati kita punya dinner dekat restoran konsep Thai di sini. Kita tengok dulu macam mana, Thai ke tak Thai ke. Yang penting restoran ni halal. So kita tengok apa lauk kita malam ni. So, ini restoran kita. Bas tak boleh parking dekat tadi, parking jauh. So Muslim restaurant ni. Ini restoran kita. Oh, banyak grup lain. Okey, dekat sini rasanya memang banyak grup Muslim tour akan makan dekat sini, ke tempat makan. Dan restoran nampak cantik, alhamdulillah. Scenerinya macam Bali pun ada dekat sini, macam Thailand pun ada. Oh.
Bismillah. Jantan eh.
Rasa-asap. Special sikit kita punya makan. Berasap-asap.
Apa ni? Asap. Nanti dia buat ke meja pula.
Okey.
Nanti dia buat ke meja lain pula.
So dekat situ ada nasi, ayam, tu apa tu, kentang. Tu apa tu? Hotdog apa? Hotdog. Ni kentang. Ni ikan, ikan grill.
Makanan Thailand.
Kentang juga.
The most important thing is umbrella, because tomorrow I'm worried when we back to Kunming will be raining. Yeah, so please tomorrow bring coat, yeah, umbrella, hat with you, because you know Yunnan the weather change so fast. Sometimes it's too hot, sometimes it's too cold, right? So please prepare umbrella, yeah, sunglasses, coat with you. Okay, others you can put in this bus. And if you still have oxygen, you have or not? Yeah, because tomorrow the bullet train cannot bring oxygen with us. Yeah, to the bullet train. If you have oxygen, please put the oxygen in the bus. Okay. And after we back to Kunming, we will go to restaurant first for lunch. Tomorrow lunch little special because the very popular food in Yunnan province, crossing bridge rice noodles. And after lunch, we will go. After lunch, you can pray in the restaurant if you want. If you don't, I'm worried. Perhaps the time if we go to the masjid not enough. but it depends what time we finish the lunch, or you like the environment, the playroom or not in the restaurant. Okay, and after the lunch we will go to Jade shop, because our itinerary have one shop to visit, Jade shop. After Jade shop we will go to Jacaranda Street. Yeah, Jacaranda Street. You can take photo, you can ride the bus. Yeah, have a lot.
Nah, kita dah sampai dekat hotel dekat Dali. Ini hotel kita. Hotel kita untuk malam ni. So kita nak jalan sekejap. Sementara dekat hotel ni satu je tak best dia. Lift dia satu je. Tapi lift hotel bagus. Kita nak pergi jalan. 5 minit. Okay, kita review sikit bilik kita dekat hotel ni. 8712. So macam ni keadaan bilik kita. Ada meja kat situ, sini ada cermin, pintu masuk. So dia terbagi pada dua. So, kat belah sini ada katil besar, and then ada speaker. So ada bilik air kita kat sini. Macam tu rupa. So bilik air kita sini bawah. Okey, sini bilik mandi. Bilik mandi. Sini toilet dia. So toilet tu pun biasa, tak macam semalam di toilet. Tak ada heated seat. Okey lah, bilik besar. Cuma ada dinding kat tengah-tengah sini. So jom kita rehat dulu. Let's go.